Alright, today we're going to be discussing Unit 2.2, defining the derivative, and it's just more of the same of what we've already been doing. This is the equation we're going to be using. Some people will substitute this in for an A and this in for an H, but I'm just going to keep using delta x. So here's our equation, and we're just going to be defining what f of x is and what f of x plus delta x is. Now, as we can see here, this f of x is clearly just going to be the regular equation, x squared plus 2. Now, if we're going to get f of x plus delta x, we are just going to plug that in wherever it is. And just to make things simpler, I'm going to just go ahead and already distribute that square, just to make things a little bit easier. Alright, and now we are going to plug it into our equation. So I'm going to do this in a different color. We're going to do whatever the f of x plus delta x is, which is going to be x squared plus x times delta x plus delta x squared plus 2. And then it's going to be minus, so we're going to put this in parentheses so we know how to distribute the negative, x squared plus 2 all over delta x. Now we are going to go ahead and distribute that negative to all the terms, which is going to be negative x squared minus 2 all over delta x. If we go ahead and cancel out all the things that we can cancel out, we can cancel out this negative x with this positive x, and this negative 2 with this positive 2. And it's just going to give us, don't need to include that positive, x times delta x plus x squared all over, delta x squared all over delta x. Now we are going to take out the delta x's, or we can take out a delta x. So it's just going to be x plus delta x over delta x. These two can cancel out, and this is just going to turn into 0. So our final answer is just going to be x.